A chip smaller than your thumb could prove that infinite versions of you exist in parallel universes. Scientists just cracked the code to test Stephen Hawking's multiverse theory using quantum technology that fits in your hand. For decades, proving parallel universes required the Large Hadron Collider, 16.7 miles of underground tunnels costing $15 billion. That's more expensive than sending humans to Mars. Until now, testing quantum theories meant building facilities larger than entire cities. University of Colorado's Dr. Akash Sahai just shattered that limitation completely. His quantum chip generates the same extreme electromagnetic fields as mile-long colliders, but uses less power than your phone charger. This isn't just miniaturization, it's a revolution in reality detection. Inside this chip, quantum electrons oscillate at trillions of cycles per second, creating electromagnetic fields with intensities previously impossible on Earth. It's literally a controlled quantum storm contained in a space smaller than a postage stamp. Stephen Hawking theorized that parallel universes branch off from every quantum event. This chip could detect the electromagnetic signatures of those branching realities. Proof that infinite versions of you exist right now, making different choices in parallel dimensions. The medical applications are revolutionary. Gamma-ray lasers could destroy individual cancer cells at the atomic level without harming healthy tissue. Imagine 15 minutes in a doctor's office eliminating every cancer cell in your body with zero side effects. Advanced Quantum Technologies Journal featured this breakthrough on their cover. ESLAC National Accelerator Laboratory has validated the core technology. This isn't theoretical physics anymore. It's peer-reviewed, reproducible engineering reality. If parallel universes exist, it changes everything about consciousness, free will, and reality itself. Are you making choices, or do all possible choices happen simultaneously across infinite dimensions? Every decision you've ever made might exist somewhere in the multiverse. The chip uses silicon metamaterials with properties that don't exist in nature. Electrons oscillate at frequencies 40 octaves higher than the highest piano note while staying cooler than your laptop processor. It's engineering magic at the quantum scale. China invested over $100 billion in quantum research and achieved quantum supremacy in specific tasks. Europe launched a $1 billion quantum program. The US is racing to catch up because whoever masters quantum technology first could control the future of civilization. This could solve physics' biggest mystery, the measurement problem. In quantum mechanics, particles exist in multiple states until observed. This chip might reveal whether consciousness itself collapses quantum possibilities into single realities, proving mind and matter are fundamentally connected. Applications extend far beyond cancer and multiverse detection. Quantum internet with mathematically unhackable security. Materials stronger than diamond but lighter than air. Perfect weather prediction calculating all possible atmospheric outcomes simultaneously. We're making the impossible routine. University of Colorado secured international patents worth hundreds of millions. Tech giants are in licensing talks. Cancer laser prototypes by 2027, human trials by 2030, multiverse detection experiments in the early 2030s. This decade will redefine what's possible. This breakthrough connects every unsolved physics mystery: dark matter detection, time's true nature, quantum consciousness theories, even testing Einstein's speed of light limits. We're looking at a cascade of discoveries that could rewrite every physics textbook and reshape human understanding. If infinite versions of every person exist, what does morality mean? What about identity, responsibility, and justice? Ethicists are calling for international guidelines before we open this Pandora's box. The implications for human society could be more profound than the discovery itself. Could quantum chips access information from parallel realities? The privacy and national security implications are unprecedented. We might need entirely new legal frameworks, new concepts of identity, and new definitions of what constitutes classified information in a multiverse. Unlike massive facility-based experiments, chip technology scales exponentially. We could go from proof of concept to worldwide deployment in years, not decades. Every smartphone could become a pocket-sized reality detector. The quantum revolution could happen faster than the internet revolution. Imagine 20 years from now. Quantum medical scanners preventing cancer before tumors form, quantum phones with mathematically perfect security, flawless weather forecasts, and definitive proof that infinite civilizations exist across parallel dimensions, some more advanced than ours. Dr. Sahai returns to Acelac this summer to push electromagnetic field strengths even higher. The goal is clear. Within 5 years, we could have the first direct experimental evidence for or against the existence of parallel universes. History is being written in real time. We're witnessing one of science's most extraordinary moments. A breakthrough that could prove infinite realities exist is happening right now in laboratories just hours from ordinary cities. Subscribe to Sciencepect for daily updates on discoveries that will reshape our understanding of existence itself. Which breakthrough excites you more? Detecting parallel universes or quantum cancer treatment? And here's the ultimate question. If infinite versions of you exist across the multiverse, which version do you want to be? Share your thoughts below and let's explore infinity together.